Exercise 13.1, question number 1, the surface area of the combination of solids. इस क्वेश्चन में two cubes of the volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Volume of each cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Let as of cube is equal to, let each as of cube is equal to a centimeter. Therefore a cube is equal to 64. Therefore a is equal to 4 centimeter. Each as is equal to 4 centimeter. Now two cubes are joined end to end. Therefore total surface area of resulting cuboid is formed. Therefore length of the cuboid is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. B, breadth of the cuboid is 4 centimeter. The height of the cuboid is also 4 centimeter. Now find the surface area. Surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now put the value of L, B and H we get. Therefore surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 L. What is the length of the cuboid? 8 into 2 plus 8 into 4. Length is 8, breadth is 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4. We get 2, 32 plus 16 plus 32. 2 into 80, which is equal to 160 centimeter square. Question number 2. Second question. In second question, a vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The lower part is hemisphere and the upper part is hollow cylinder. The total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. 7 centimeter radius, it is also radius, and the remaining part is 6 centimeter. So total height of vessel is equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore this vessel has two parts, hemispherical part or cylindrical part. Therefore in hemispherical part we have radius is equal to 7 centimeter, and in cylindrical part we have radius is also 7 centimeter because both figures are combined figure, and height of the cylinder is 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6 centimeter. They found the inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of vessel is equal to curved surface area of hemispherical part plus curved surface area of cylindrical part. दोनों पार्ट्स के कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऐड करेंगे तभी उसका इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकलेगा. We know that the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, which is equal to 2 pi r square, and the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh. Now take common. Therefore, surface area of the vessel is 2 pi r, common, r plus h. Now put the values of r and h. 2 pi 22/7, r radius 7, r radius 7, h height of the cylindrical part 6, which is 7 से 7 cancel, 44 into 13, which is equal to 572 centimeter square. The next question is, a toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. The lower part is of the toy is hemisphere and the upper part is conical part. The total height of toy is equal to 15.5 centimeter, and the radius of the hemispherical part is 3.5. So it is also radius 3.5 centimeter. The total height is 15.5 centimeter. Therefore remaining height is 12 centimeter. तो इसके भी two parts करें. First part is hemispherical part. In hemispherical part we have radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. In conical part में we have radius is also 3.5 centimeter, which is equal to 35 by 10, which is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, and h 15.5 minus 3.5, 12 centimeter. Then find out the value of L. The L is equal to r square plus h square, square the root. R is 49 by 4, r square. R is 7 by 2, then r square is 49 by 4 plus 12 square. Therefore, L is equal to, take 4 LCM, 49 plus 576 square root. So L is equal to 625 by 4 square root. So L is 25 by 2 centimeter. Now find the total surface area of the toy. Therefore, total surface area of toy is the combination of the curved surface area of both these figures. Curved surface area of hemispherical part plus curved surface area of conical part. We know that the curved surface area of hemispherical part is 2 pi r square plus the curved surface area of conical part is pi r l. Now take common, pi r common, 2r plus l. Now put these values. Therefore total surface area of toy is equal to, pi means 22 by 7, r 7 by 2, 2 7 by 2 plus l 25 by 2. 7 से 7 cancel, 2 से 11, 11, 2 से 2 cancel, 7 plus 25 by 2, which is equal to 11, 14 plus 25 divided by 2. Which is equal to 11 into 39 divided by 2. 214.5 centimeter square. 11 multiplied by 39 divided by 2, 214.5 centimeter square. It is the total surface area of toy.